In this video, I will take you through the process of creating a new pattern. First of all, you'll need to give your pattern a name. Then, we'll define the stacking method. You can choose Rotate Stack to create interlocking layers for better stability, or Column Stack, where every layer is identical. Next, define your pallet size. You can select standard industry sizes, such as the Euro pallet, or define a custom pallet to fit your specific needs. Here, you can also set the number of layers for the stack and the label orientation. If it is critical that labels face outward, always select the outwards orientation. If you prefer to prioritize speed and efficiency, select Optimized, and Pallet will handle the rest. You also have the option to allow overhang on the sides or ends, or add product padding. Product padding creates space between the boxes. Please note that if you add padding, Pallet will only be able to single-pick boxes. If you leave the padding at 0, Pallet can utilize multi-picking to increase efficiency. You can define your required speed in cases per minute here. Please note that this number is only for simulating purposes, to let you know whether a simulation has met the requirements or not. The value does not impact the speed or number of cases per minute in real life. Next, you will define your gripper type, either vacuum or mechanical. Pallet generates patterns differently depending on which gripper you use. We will start with the vacuum gripper workflow, and then I will show you how to set up a mechanical pattern. With a vacuum gripper, you can set the maximum number of boxes to be gripped at once. If you leave this on auto, Pallet will optimize the process for you. Pallet calculates the smartest pick strategy, determining when to pick 1, 2, or 3 boxes at a time based on your pattern requirements. Here, you can see the suggested base patterns based on your box dimensions. If you need further customization, simply press Confirm and Customize to enter the Advanced Pallet Builder. This view provides a clear overview of your created pattern. From here, you can easily add shim paper. You can define the height of the paper, move it into position, and complete your shim routine by duplicating and arranging the sheets. Once set, Pallet will know exactly when to pause the process to place a shim paper between the specified layers. In this example, every layer is set to layer type 1 because we chose a column stack. You can choose to edit all layers simultaneously or modify a specific layer individually. In the layer view, you will notice that every box is numbered. These numbers indicate the palletizing sequence, showing you exactly which box Pallet will place first and which will be the last. Because we set the label orientation to outwards, the direction of the outer boxes is locked. You will see a lock icon and a single direction arrow on these boxes. For the boxes in the middle, you will see arrows in both directions, indicating that Pallet still has the flexibility to optimize their placement. Under the Settings menu, you can enable an inverted approach. This changes the palletizing order, telling Pallet to place boxes near the base first and finish on the outer edge. You can also customize settings for individual boxes. For instance, you can disable multi-picking for a specific box or define a specific gripper orientation. This is highly valuable if you are dealing with reach limitations and need a specific grip angle to successfully place a box on the outer edge. You can also manually move or remove boxes. If you place a box so that it collides with another box, the boxes will turn red, like so. Now, let's go back a couple of steps. If you choose to palletize with a mechanical gripper, you will first define whether it is a fork or clamp type. You will also set the pickup side, left, right, or front, and the gripper clearance. Just like with the vacuum gripper, you can customize shim paper and edit layers in the Advanced Pallet Builder. However, Pallet will automatically optimize the pattern logic for mechanical constraints. This means MyRobot.cloud will lock the directions, disable multi-picking, and define the gripper orientation based on your pickup settings. For example, when I select the 5th box in this sequence, MyRobot.cloud lets me know that these 4 boxes will be placed before the 5th. It also displays the required placement angle, making sure the gripper has the necessary clearance to release the box. You can see the gripper clearance, illustrated by the red area. Once you are satisfied with your pattern, simply press Confirm. Now download your new pattern from MyRobot.cloud, upload it to your Pallet solution, and start palletizing. Thank you for watching!